I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites so you don't hit permission roadblocks later. Check that you have Android 7, 0 or a launcher that supports live wallpapers. This matters because older systems block dynamic backgrounds. Once done, pick your asset, a purpose-built live wallpaper app, an MP4 clip, or an animated PNG converted with a utility. Make sure to back up your home layout. This prevents losing icon placement when you test different wallpapers and restores your setup fast if something misbehaves. You'll now install and configure the wallpaper so it runs smoothly. Install the Live Wallpaper app from the Play Store or sideload an APK after enabling Install Unknown Apps. This gives you more choices. Then import your media. Use the app's add function or convert an MP4 into the required wallpaper bundle. Next, tune performance settings, FPS limits, battery saver mode, loop behavior, and touch reactions, because these control smoothness and power use. Also set cropping to match your screen ratio so nothing looks off-center. You're ready to apply and finalize the wallpaper. Use settings Wallpaper Live Wallpapers or tap the app Set as Wallpaper button, then choose Home or Home and Lock screens. If you see jitter, stuttering, or excessive battery drain, reduce FPS, disable touch effects, or enable the app's battery saver mode. These changes trade visual detail for stability. If things still fail, revert using your backup, clear the app cache, or uninstall and reinstall. Persistent permission grants often fix launch issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.